Welcome back. In today's video, I'm unboxing yet another lot that I bought. This one's a smaller one, but it's pretty cool and it has something I wanted for quite a while. So, how about I open it? Just opening it from this side. There, let's see if I can just tear this thing open with this hole. Yep. Clear as I can. Maybe I need a bit more cutting. Another hole in here. And we have some bubble wrap, it appears. Sorry about it falling. I don't really have a stand for it currently. I'm just using my shoe to hold it up. So let's try and peel some of this stuff away. And inside here is another box. I think inside of this box is going to be our item. Here, let me just get something more permanent worked out for a phone stand. Okay, I just decided to use the other side of my shoe just so that it'll stay up better. So let's continue opening it. I think I need this side too. And both the corners, it appears. I'm assuming this one's the engine, so we'll save it for last. So, first what we shall open up are these, of which I assume to be freight cars. Or not freight cars, the cars that are not freight cars. Yep, here they are. These are fresh Amtrak cars. Here. I think these cars are also lighted too. Here, I think I need to cut this more. Props to the seller of this for packaging it really well. But it's a little tricky to open. So yeah. Here are our passenger cars. Yeah, I'll just pull these off to the side now. The trucks are backwards. But now it's time for the engine, and I think I'll try something different. So here's the engine. I'm going to try opening this one up a slightly different way. See if it'll help me get this thing open quicker. There we go. And here's our engine. Let me position the camera so I can share this more in detail. Now it's time to test if these are lighted. First, let's test the dome car. Let me get it on the rails. Looks like if I wiggle it, I can get a light out of it. So yes, the lights work. May need some wiper work / wheel cleaning. Now let's get this car on the rails. Looks like the light works on this one as well. Although it also may need some wiper adjustments and stuff. So I'll do some work on those off camera. Now to test the engine. Let's see if our Amtrak engine works now. It appears we have a light, but no motion from the engine. So tomorrow we might be going and taking this apart and seeing what the problem is. So this will be a project for a future video.